sinasabi ni Mr. Pangilinan, sino sasagot ng system loss? Obviously, ayaw namin mga consumer sagutin yun. Kaya it ang nagpasa ng bills para tanggalin yung system loss. Ang nakikita naming sasagot nun, obviously, yung distribution company. And it will be part of their cost or expense in generating electricity or in transmitting electricity. Nakikita ko naman, ang kagandahan naman doon ay mapapwersa ngayon yung mga distribution utilities to be more efficient. Ngayon kasi, efficient or not efficient, bahala na si consumer. Papasa na yon. So ngayon, since it's part of their cost na, mapapwersa sila na talagang pababaan or tanggalin yung system loss. The point of the matter there is, as consumers, agree that it should not be passed on. Dahil nga, hindi naman namin kasalanan yung technical losses. Hindi rin naman namin kasalanan yung jumper. Diba? So, hindi dapat sa amin ipasa yon.